Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be beginning with our EVS chapters. Our first chapter, our family. This is the outer covering of the book of Standard 3 EVS. Students, for you, what is family? Just group of people who live together, that's it. But actually we love each other, we care for one another, we help each other. And every family is special because you share happiness, sadness, and everything, no matter whether you fight or you don't. Now, before we begin with the story of our family, they have given one small story. So, they are going to tell us how we identify our family members. I'm sure you all know your mother, father, uncle, aunt, cousin, sister, and many more. But let us see how we can identify our extended family. Let's read. There was a lot of excitement and activity at Mina's home because her brother Abhi's wedding was in 2 days. The whole family was full of excitement. Mina was very happy as a sister-in-law was going to join the family. So there was a lot of excitement going on at Mina's place because what was the reason? Abhi's wedding was there in 2 days and one new family member was supposed to join, which she is known as sister-in-law. The whole family, including Mina's uncle, aunt, and cousin brother, her maternal uncle, aunt, and cousin sister, her maternal aunt and cousin brother, paternal aunt and brother, had gathered for the wedding. Her maternal uncle and aunt had brought their 4-year-old grandson too with them. Everyone enjoyed playing with the little boy and took care of him. So there were many people who were there who had visited there for the wedding, who came there for the wedding along with the grandson, along with a maternal uncle, aunt, then there was cousin again, maternal aunt. So there's so much of confusion, right? So these names are for our aunts and uncles, whether it is from our mother's side or father's side. So let's find out how we name these relationships. As Meena had grandparents from both the sides, her mother's parents and her father's parents. Mother's parents, which means grandparents from both the sides, okay? She was being pampered a lot. Meena and her cousin were helping the elders. The grandparents were supervising all the work and welcoming the guest. All the relatives were talking, laughing, and working together. In Meena's family, her mother, father, paternal uncle, aunt, grandmother, grandfather, brother, sister all stay together. Seema is Meena's real sister. Abhi is Meena and Seema's cousin, as he is the son of Meena's paternal uncle and aunt. This means that Meena and Seema both are Abhi's cousin sister. Accordingly, in the textbook, if you see, they have asked us to prepare a chart. There is a flow chart given where we have Meena's grandmother and grandfather. Now, Meena's grandmother and grandfather have Meena's mother and father and Meena's paternal uncle aunt. So they have two kids, Seema Tai and Meena, and Meena's paternal uncle have Abhi, which is again her cousin. Now in this, if you see, there are too many groups. So family groups means which are related to each other, and there are different types of family groups. Let's understand what is big family. A big family is which has mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, then there's paternal uncle, aunt, cousins, all live together as a big family. It is also called as joint family. If you recall, your mother when they were small, your parents were small, that time in village they used to stay all together as a big family. But now we have small family. Now what is small family? That is nuclear family. Family in which mother, father and their children live together. You don't have your grandparents with you. They stay maybe in village or with another place. And even your uncle aunts, they stay at some other place. So big family is where all the relatives stay together, and small family is where your mother, father and their kids stay together. Extended family. The relatives from mother's side and then the father's side. For example, from mother's side, we usually call your mother's sister. Your mother's sister will be called as your Masi, right? Then your father's sister would be called as your Atya or Bua, right? So similarly, these are terms in Hindi and Marathi simultaneously, but we call them as extended family when they are also included. They do not live in the same house, but they are there whenever there are family functions. You'll surely share your celebrations together, joys and sorrows together. Now, single parent family. In some families, only one parent, either mother or father, takes care of the children and raises them. Such family is called single parent family. Seema's friends Sushmita and Yasmin together drew a beautiful rangoli in front of the door. Abhi's friend David and Gurpreet decorated the door with flowers. Mina's neighbor had also come to help. Whenever there is function at someone's house, all of them celebrate it together. When in need, they also help each other. Last year, Mina's grandfather was ill. During that time, the neighbors helped a lot. In holidays, kids from the neighborhood gather in Mina's courtyard in the evening. Mina's grandmother tells them interesting stories. Mina had a dog and a cat in their house. Mina's dog Motia was very happy to see so many people in the house. He was moving around the house wagging his tail. After the meal, few family members sat to play snakes and ladders, and Motia also came and sat with them. However, after drinking the milk, the Mani, the cat, as usual was fast asleep in the corner. So all these are our neighbors, right? In our neighborhood, you can see your neighbors helping you during festivals. Maybe you all celebrate also certain festivals together. Then some of them have pet in their family. You take care of that pet. Even you consider pets in the family. You consider them as your family members and they are very close to you. Some people care for the family outside in the surrounding. Like for example, two clay bowls you'll keep outside, one with the water and other with the grains for the birds. The trees, animals, they are in the surrounding and they also play an important part in our life. Now we plant trees, take care of birds and animals. We consider them as family, but they do not stay with us. We come together with our neighbors to celebrate different family functions and share our joy. Now, whether a family is very big or small, the members of the family live together happily. They take care of each other, they help each other, and share their work. They have feelings of love and respect for each other. The environment in the family is safe. Many families from different cultures together form a society. Happy families together create a happy society. Now, students, whether your family is big or small, you don't have to be upset about it because you come together. If your family is small, your relatives come together. If your family is big, you share all the joy, happiness, and respect for each other. Now, when these small families come together, they form a society. If your family is happy, you stay happy in the society. Let's note down the notes for this chapter. Question 1, filling the blanks. A family is a group of people who are related to each other. A big family is also called as joint family. Family consisting of parents and children is called a small family. Relatives from the mother's and father's side together form an extended family. In a single parent family, only one parent takes care of the children. True or false? Mina had grandparents from both sides. True. Extended family members always live in one house. False. Motia was Mina's dog. True. Neighbors never help each other. False. Answer in one word. Father's brother is called as uncle. Mother's sister is called as aunt. Father's sister's daughter is called as cousin sister. Mother's sister's son, cousin brother. Mina's dog is named as Motya and Mina's cat as Money. Question 4. Answer the following. What is a family? A family is a group of people who are related to each other and care for one another. What is a joint family? A family in which grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and cousins live together is called a joint family. What is an extended family? Relatives from both the mother's side and father's side together form an extended family. Why are neighbors important? Neighbors help us in times of need and celebrate festivals and functions together. Why are trees, animals, and birds important? Trees, animals, and birds are important parts of our life and environment. This is textbook exercise. Students, if you open to page number 5 of your EVS textbook, you'll get these questions. Question 1. Write who it is. The one who was with maternal uncle and aunt, their grandson. The ones who were supervising all the work, grandparents. The ones who were helping the elders, Mina and her cousin. Mina's paternal cousin brother, Abhi. Write who lives in these families. In small families, we have mother, father, and children. In single parent family, we have one parent and children. In big family, we have grandfather, grandmother, parents, uncles, aunts, cousins, and all the children. Give reason. Why should we care for animals and birds? We should care for animals and birds because they are important parts of our life and environment. Why do family members help each other? Family members help each other because they love and care for one another. I hope students you've understood the first chapter of EVS 1. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need anything, put down in the comments and I'll surely get back to you. Thanks for watching.